So this video is going to be about the shortcut vertical Steve. So it's not necessary to be able to do a shortcut horizontal Steve, but it helps you understand what's going on. It is necessary to be able to do vertical Steve, however. Totally necessary. So this little guy on his 1 foot, as you do the vertical Steve, you're going to turn, once it gets to approximately the shoulder, you're going to turn towards the hand that the Steve came from. So around this way, and it's going to force it to do a downward throat wrap, dark side throat wrap, and then as you come back, it should fall back into the vertical Steve again. So from the other side, let's say, so as I launch it over into the vertical Steve, I'm turning, it's going to do this downward throat wrap, and then I continue turning. How is it going now? I think it goes that way. And I land that way. Like so. Let me do that one more time. Oh, it's facing this way. So as it comes in, as it gets to the shoulder, it starts to turn. It does a downward throat wrap, and as I continue, it finishes off outside down. Not very difficult move, just difficult to keep the plane as it's going across the chest.
Who's this? Who's this, Lila? Who's this? Who's this? Oh shit!